Here we go, ladies and gentlemen, Georgia-born Yorkiepoo Puppies, hyperallergenic, non-shedding, one of my favorite breeds, very, very intelligent, loving. These guys have beautiful, cuddly personalities, lots of playful energy, travel very well, great with other pets. The best Yorkiepoos are right here at Sugar Sweet Georgia Puppies. These guys are gorgeous and are ready to win their ways into your heart. Would you look at these guys? They come with health guarantees, be microchipped already, up to date in all their shots, and ready to win your heart over. Come on in.